Humans don't think before they judge you. They don't analyze. They don't wait for you to speak. They feel. And that feeling is formed in 0.1 seconds. Before your words, before your confidence, before your intentions. That judgment comes from instinct. And instinct is brutally honest. Most men fail this test immediately, not because they are weak, but because their body sends the wrong signal. When three key structural areas are underdeveloped, your body broadcasts the same primal message every animal understands. This one is safe to challenge. Instinct does not measure size. It does not care how much you bench. It does not care how shredded you look in the mirror. Instinct looks for one thing only. Will this structure collapse when pressure hits? You've seen this contrast your entire life. A man who is huge, big arms, wide chest. But somehow he doesn't look dangerous. And then someone smaller, not loud, not flashy. But when he enters a room, something changes. People move differently around him. They give space. They listen. Why? Because dominance is not about size. It is about geometry. Your brain is wired to respect the pyramid. A wide base, dense support, a thick connection between parts. This structure signals stability, durability, the ability to handle force without breaking. If you want your body to command respect at a primal level, you don't chase mirror muscles. You reinforce the structure. There are three muscle groups that instantly communicate real capability, not aesthetics, not flexing, capability. The neck, the first signal of durability. The neck is the one muscle group you cannot hide. Suit, hoodie, winter jacket. Doesn't matter. Your neck is always visible. And here's the uncomfortable truth most people avoid. You can do 5,000 push-ups. You can build a big chest. You can have impressive arms. But if your neck is thin, your body still looks unstable. A thin neck signals fragility. A trained neck signals durability. This isn't just visual. Your neck protects your brain. It stabilizes your head under force. It determines how your body reacts to impact. This is why fighters, wrestlers, and contact athletes all share the same trait: thick, dense necks. Not by accident, by necessity. Exercise 1. Look away curl. Lie on your back with your head hanging slightly off a bed or bench. Slowly lift your head upward. At the top, rotate it gently away from your shoulder. This targets the sternocleidomastoid, the vertical armor of your neck. 8 to 12 slow, controlled reps per side. Rest 20 seconds. Repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. This movement thickens the neck fast because it trains the exact fibers that stabilize your skull. Exercise 2. Nod holds. Sit or stand tall. Slightly tuck your chin, as if creating a subtle double chin. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. These activate your deep cervical flexors, the muscles that prevent whiplash. Do 3 to 4 holds. Repeat for 2 sets. This is the anti-KO muscle group. Fix your neck and your entire silhouette changes. Mid-script motivation, plus subscribe. If you want to stop being visually underestimated, if you want people to feel your presence before you speak, then don't ignore this kind of information. Subscribe now, because this isn't about looking good for the mirror. This is about building a body that commands respect in the real world. Forearms. The language of capability. Forearms are not aesthetic muscles. They are capability signals. Humans read grip strength instantly, without realizing it. Grip strength predicts pulling power, striking stability, grappling control, even hormonal profile. Weak forearms make your entire upper body look soft. Strong forearms make your entire frame look dangerous. Not aggressive, capable. This is why strong men throughout history were recognized by their hands, not their abs. Dead hangs. Dead hangs are the purest test of real grip strength. Hang from a bar, no movement, no momentum, just you and gravity. Wrist levers. Wrist levers build dense, armor-like forearms. They strengthen the connective tissue, not just surface muscle. These are the muscles that show up when strength is actually required. Traps, the shock absorbers of the body. Most people think traps are shrug muscles. They're not. Your traps connect your arms to your spine. They determine how well your body handles force. Strong upper traps signal three things immediately: power, stability, resistance. If someone pulls you, drags you, or tries to throw you off balance, your traps decide whether you stay upright. This is why fighters, wrestlers, rugby players, and grapplers all share the same visual signature: high traps, solid base, immovable presence. Exercise 1. Pike shrugs. Get into a pike position, hips high, hands on the floor, legs straight. Keep your elbows locked. Push your shoulders up toward your ears, then let them sink down. Only the shoulders move. 10 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 sets. This builds upper traps using body weight, fast and brutally effective. Exercise 2. Dumbbell high pulls. Hold dumbbells at your sides, stand tall, chest up. Pull the dumbbells up and slightly outward. Lead with your elbows. Raise to collarbone height. Lower slowly with control. 8 to 12 reps, 2 to 3 sets. This builds the trap line that makes your upper body look powerful from every angle. Final message. What really matters? Understand this. You are always broadcasting a signal. Every time you walk into a room, every time you stand still, every time you say nothing, you can spend years building muscles that look good under perfect lighting. Or you can spend a few focused minutes each week reinforcing the structure that instinct respects. Structure first, strength second. If this video helped you see strength differently, share it, subscribe, so you can keep getting deeper, real-world focused content like this. And if you have a question or want a specific topic covered next, leave it in the comments. Your body speaks. Make sure it's saying the right thing.